Don't be shy at 4 things. Old clothes because your cloth doesn't define your talent. Second, poor friends because there is no status in friendship. Old parents because what you are today is because of them. Simple living because success can't be judged by appearance. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about this quote. This quote encourages embracing simplicity, humility and gratitude in various aspects of life, emphasizing that certain values and relationships matter more than appearance or material wealth. Here's a breakdown of each point. First is old cloth, poor friends, old parents, simple living. First is old clothes. Wearing old or simple clothes should not make you feel ashamed, as your attire doesn't reflect your true worth and capabilities. Talent and character are far more important than outward appearance. Next is poor friends. Friendship is not about social status or wealth. A true friend's value lies in loyalty, trust and connection which transcend material positions. Next is old parents. It reminds us to honor and respect our parents as they are the foundation of who we are today. Their age or simplicity doesn't diminish the immense contribution they have made to our lives. Next is simple living. Success isn't determined by how lavish or luxury one's life appears. Leading a simple life grounded in meaningful values is more rewarding than chasing superficial markers of success. Overall, the quote promotes humility, loyalty, respect for family, and a focus on quality over external factors. Let's dive deeper into each part of this quote to explore its broader implications. First is old clothes, talent over appearance. This point highlights that one's abilities and accomplishments are not determined by the clothes they wear. In a world where appearances often create first inspirations, the quote emphasizes substances over style. It's easy to feel pressure to look a certain way to fit societal expectations, but old or modest clothing doesn't diminish the talent, intelligence or skills a person holds. Greatness is not about the brand of clothes but about one's action and inner qualities. Next is poor friends, value in true friendship. Friendship built on genuine connection, shared experience and emotional support are far more valuable than those based on wealth or social standing. The quote reminds us that real friendship doesn't require a person to be rich or influential. True friends are there in both good and bad times, and they see value in your character, not your bank account. It encourages staying loyal to those who have been with you through thick and thin, regardless of their financial status. Next is old parents, respect for roots. This part acknowledges the depth of gratitude owed to one's parents, especially as they age. The wisdom and sacrifices of parents often shape who we become, yet in modern society, there can be a tendency to neglect or overlook them as they grow older. The quote advocates for maintaining respect and care for our parents, recognizing that much of what we have today is because of their hard work, love, guidance. It is a call to remember that our success is partly due to the foundation they provided. Next is simple living. Success beyond materialism. Many people equate success with wealth, luxury and outward signs of achievement. However, the quote suggests that true success is not appearances but about living a life of meaning, purpose and inner contentment. Simplicity in living often leads to more focused on what truly matters: personal growth, relationships and peace of mind. The pursuit of material goods and flashy lifestyle can often distract people from real happiness, which is found in authenticity and grounded living. Overall, the quote advocates for humility, contentment, and valuing inner qualities and outward appearances. It pushes back against societal pressures to comfort to external stands of success and instead encourages people to cherish what truly matters: genuine friendship, friendship, respect for family, inner talent, and a simple, meaningful life. It promotes a mindset that values essence over form, suggesting that true riches lies in our relationships, our respect for our origin, and our personal growth rather than in material possessions or appearances. Thanks for watching.